What's up guys, it's time to kick up the new mid-range era for Samsung. Starting with A7 2018, right here is the first ever triple camera on a Samsung phone. Very simple Samsung package, we have it here with this phone. A7 logo up front. At the back, we can see the main specs are written on the box. First, triple camera, infinite display, side fingerprint sensor, 4G connectivity, octa processor, 64 and 4 GB of RAM. Still, on this device, we have different versions with 128 GB of internal and 6 GB RAM. Quickly unboxing the device, let's get started. Lifting the box, as you can see, we have the Samsung Galaxy A7 2018. We can see the main specs written up front. Super AMOLED infinite display and the triple camera of this device. Unwrapping the plastic really quick. As you can see, one premium looking device. Quickly booting up the device, we have the logo up front, secure by knocks. Let's check the accessories first. So as always, we have a quick start guide, silicone case with perfect cut for those triple camera. Wow, I cannot believe Samsung is shipping this phone with USB 2.0 cable, and of course we don't have any fast charging on this device. We have normal Samsung earphones, no AKG. As you can see, the SIM tool injector. Just go ahead and run through the setup. I'm done. Looking at the phone user experience, just a typical Samsung experience UI across all the Samsung devices. The software throughout the Galaxy is similar with the Android 8.0 audio. Testing out how fast the fingerprint is. This is the second phone from Samsung to have fingerprint on power button. The first was on J6 Plus. The main highlight on the phone is the triple camera at the back of this device. Starting with selfie, we have a 24 megapixel. Going to the back of the camera, we have a 24 megapixel f1.7, second lens 5 megapixel depth sensing camera for live focus, and 8 megapixel ultra wide angle. Looking at the camera, it's very similar on the Galaxy phones, similar camera UI. There are a couple of new things such as scene optimizer that uses AI function to optimize according to the scene. Apart from scene optimizer, we have slow-mo, AR emoji, and hyperlapse. Main thing you'll see different is with auto mode. When you see this down here, you can really take some nice ultra wide angle picture. Overall, this feature camera packed phone still cannot shoot 4K because the processor inside is Exynos 7885 CPU, but otherwise can really produce a nice photos thanks to the 3 camera sensor. Now, the battery in A7 2018 is 3000 mAh and is non-removable. Looking at display is a 6-inch Full HD Plus infinite display that has a bottom and top chin, as you can see. Make sure you subscribe to the channel I'll be doing comparison with A9. Thank you so much for watching. See you out in the next one. Peace.